This is the roller cover mounting. It's going to be installed there, and you can see there are two holes over here, and we have a two Torx bolt. So we're going to fix this. We put the mounting into the position, and we get the screw, and we try to find the hole. So we have got the two screws threaded in. You can see the two bolts over there, and it's still not fixed. We're going to keep it loose, and we firstly put that top cover on, then we're going to tighten these two screws. To install this rear seat belt rear frame top cover, we just clip it on. You see, so we have clip here, so we have a clip here, and we have clip here, and a clip here, clip here. So we have another two clip and here. So we have another two here. So we just clip them back on and make them into the position, and we're going to push. I'm going to use my tool hand. Put the top cover on. We try to align them very well. Look at here. So the cover will get into the slot of the roller cover mounting like this, and after aligned very well, we can just push the cover down. So that's it. So top cover on, we're going to tighten these two bolts over here. So finally tighten the two bolts. That ought to be okay. That's okay.